Hello, this is Gamer7685, and this is going to be a continuation of our Game Maker series thing. So yeah, so what we did last episode was create a room, an object, and a sprite. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is create a couple more sprites. I'm gonna name one the enemy, SPR underscore enemy. So, enemy. There we go. I'm gonna load a sprite. Right here. Now medic. Okay. So now we click the center button. And that does that. Now we click OK. Now sprite 1 is, oopsies, I loaded the wrong one. This will be SPR. You could do whatever you want. I'm just gonna do medic. I'll just call it medic. Okay. Now for sprite 1, we're going to do SPR underscore enemy and load sprite enemy and center. And as I said in the last video, you can always go into edit sprite and create a new one. And yeah, but I'm not going to do that. But no. So now we click OK. Okay, I don't need that, but whatever. So we're gonna load up room 0 here. See. So remember, control, hold right click, and there you go. I'm just gonna center that. Okay, so let's see. If we go into object player, we'll see we have those. Okay, that's good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a add event. Actually, before we do this, let's just create 2 more objects. So object 1, yeah. So object 1 will be, this is weird. Okay. Object 2 will be SPR underscore enemy. Anemone. Now select the enemy. Click OK. Oh, oops. Well, so object underscore and then medic, like that. Select the sprite, medic. Okay. So object 2. Let's go into this. Let's rename it to object underscore enemy. There we go. So now we've got those, but let's go back into player for now. So I'm gonna create a step event and step. So this will say, if your player is on the board, then it will go through these commands. Like, yeah. And then you can also do begin step or end step, but I don't like to do that. You'll see why. Okay. Oh wait, no. Okay, add event. This is weird. Okay, so draw. So we want to draw event. We'll go to this step event later. But you want to drag a piece of code. I'm just trying to double click on it. Okay, and then we want to do I think it was like draw under sprite. Yeah, so draw sprite, and then like that, and then inside the brackets, you want to put the name of your sprite, or else it just won't show up. So, SPR underscore player. We're done here. Okay, so now, enter, and if you want, here's another thing, it's like, you can do // and then whatever you type, it will sort of be like a message to yourself and it won't read, the program won't read it as code. So that's useful. So you can just do like draw out player. There you go. And now I'm gonna do draw text, was it? Yeah, draw text. And like that, I think, and then okay. So draw text and then put brackets with quotation marks inside them. Yeah, and then put whatever you want, but I'm gonna take away those and put what do you call it? Hit points. So player hit points. Yes, there we go. Now before player hit points, we want to put sorry, we want to put the x, y, and x and y coordinates. So I'm gonna click the check mark here, go into my room, and see. So I want it about right here. So that's 32 by 32. Okay, so we'll go back into sprite player and draw. Then so we're gonna do x, so 32, and like that. And now of course you could put those, and then instead of this and inside you could put whatever you want, and that would show up. Ouch. But I'm not gonna do that, because if I put player hit points here, then it will show the how many hit points I have. So I'll just do this again, and it will say then set displays player hit points. Here we go. Now check mark. So now we've done that. So yeah, then if you go in here, okay, hold on. Let's see. So line, so draw sprite, SBR underscore player. That's right. I'm pretty sure. Hold on. What did it say? One number of arguments to function as script. It's weird. Maybe I typed in it wrong. Let me go check one of my other ones, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. I found out, there we go. Okay, I found out that, you had to draw the coordinates, so that's what I got wrong. So, all you have to do to make it, where your player still is sprite underscore player, so, near player, and then -1, x, and y. And then you should be good to go. So if we run the game, yeah, so now we don't have an error. So let it load. Okay, so here's what I get. No, I still have an error. Okay, wait. Hold on. Okay, I think. Create. Did we? Player speed. No. Okay. I'm just not focused. Okay, I haven't done this in quite a while, so I'm not caught up. So, what I have to do is create a new variable called player hit points, and then equals 100. That's what I'm gonna do, but you can change this to any number you want. So, yeah. Now we will be good to go. Let's hope. Because if it's not, I'm just like gonna like rip out my hair. So yeah, there we go. So there's our hit points. So we have 100, and we can still move. So that's good. Now, okay, I'm sorry if you can hear that, but okay. So now that's done. So we'll click OK. Okay. So, medic, object medic. So, add event. What is it? Collision event with object player. So now, all we have to do now is get some code, put it in. Now we just want to do instance underscore destroy. Destroy. Oh my gosh. There we go. Now, just like that. That's all you have to do. Okay? Click the check mark. You're done with that. Now go back into object player. Add event. Collision with medic. Now in here, you want some code. Now you want to do player. Gosh, what is it? Oh yeah. So you want to do player hit points, and then plus equals, and then how many hit points you want to gain. So for medic, I'm just gonna do 10, and you go. You're done with that. So now I'm gonna add an event collision with the enemy. Now we're gonna pretty much copy and paste that. So, but yeah, so player hit points, and then minus equals, and then how much you want to lose. So I'll do 15. Now you're done. So go into object enemy, add event collision with player, drag in some code, and now you want to do instance underscore destroy. Just like that. Now you're done for that. So if you just want to go into objects here, click on it, go to object medic. I'm just gonna put a few of those down. There we go. And then you can also click and go object enemy, and I'm just gonna put a bunch in random places. Oh, that's another thing that I have to do. I have to update that. So color, it's completely white. It's just, yeah, okay. I don't like how that's like that, so I have to go into Photoshop and cut that out so that it's clear, like the player. Anyway, so let's play the game. And if we wait, and then here we go. So here's a little game, and now you see we can, if we hit some of the enemies, it says 85, 70, 55, 40, 25. Now you can gain these too. But now you see if I go to minus 10, and then I can go below that. So I'm gonna fix that. So let's just exit out of that. Let's go into object player, and now wait, I just want to see something. Settings, style. For some reason, this is a gray. I don't like that. But I can't seem to find where. Oh, right here. Okay. Got it? Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna go to object player. Now I want to go into the step event that I created. Now right here. So now we want to do an if statement. So this is saying if player hit points is bigger than or equal to 0, then you want to do this, some squiggly brackets. I'm not really sure what to call those. There we go. So you're pretty much saying if player hit points is bigger than or equal to 0, then I want to set player. Oh no, wait. Yeah, okay. So this is for this. So you want to do game underscore restart. Or if you have like another room, for instance, like an end room, you could do like send to and then the game room, or like end or whatever. And also you could just like do instance destroy, but that's no fun because it just disappears and game's over. So yeah, so now we also want to put a limit on like, so we can't go above a certain number. Okay. So we want to do if player hit points, I just can't see, is bigger hold on, bigger than or equal to, come on, work, come on, what's wrong? Just oh, that's why. Okay, there we go. It was on the French keyboard. So if player hit points is bigger than hold on, no, oh gosh, stupid ads. Okay, so if the player hit points is bigger than or smaller or equal to 100, then you want to, yeah, 101, that's what we want to do. So if player hit points is bigger than or equal to 101, then player hit points, stupid caps, player hit points equals 100. There you go. Yeah, so that's it. Now, if we run the game, and if we let it load, we can see what it does. There we go. So now, if we collect this, hold on. I think I did this. If it's big, oh, wrong way. Oh no, that was the right way. I need to do this. Yeah, so if it's bigger than or equal to 101. Yeah, okay, so there we go. Now it will work. That was just a bad mistake. Okay. So, let's wait for it to look. There we go. So now if we collect some of these, we can't go over 100. And if we destroy ourselves, the game just resets. So yeah, it's kind of cool. And then of course this still works, so you can come up here, collect your hearts back, and get killed. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. I mean, I like that. It's just putting a limit. So yeah, what else should we do? What should we do? Should we create some more sprites or an object? So, yeah, so that's that. Delete. Okay. So now we got all that, right? So, what we want to do, most likely, is make, like, since these are enemies, they usually come towards you. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Actually no, I'll save that for next episode, so that there's not too much stuff. No. Go away. Okay, well that's gonna be it for this episode, because I'm getting really popular. I'm just kidding, I'm never popular. Okay, but I'll see you next episode. Okay, bye.